Hey everyone! So I have a 14 by 14 canvas and we picked up this really cool strainer at the store the other day. So I'm going to do a pour through here and I'm going to do it as a dirty pour. And I am going to put it up in this corner. We're going to just let it flow out. I did put some black down. I didn't do the edges really well because I'm going to be tilting it anyway. So I'm going to get a cup about this size. I believe this is 9 ounces. And I'm going to spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. That will help release the paint from the cup. I need to move this back just a little bit there. Let that glare off a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to start out with Soho Dioxazine Violet. And this is Folk Art Metallic Turquoise. Premier Purple Red. I'm going to go ahead with the yellow next, I think. Soho Cad Yellow Light. And Cad Orange Deep from Soho. Okay. So I'm going to place it right here. I'm just going to lift it just a little bit to get it to move. Colors are pretty. Okay. So now when I lift this, I should have some paint here as well. It'll be a different pattern because of the way the strainer is. So I'm going to go ahead and bring that this way really quick to dump that off. Some of it, and then I'm going to go ahead and start tilting. When I tilt, I try to keep all my paint together, so like right now I'm bringing it all back to the middle so it all flows together. I want to get this little spot here, and I'll bring it back. I think I want to bring it just a little more. Probably some of it will go over the edge. Actually, I think I'm going to bring it all because look what's going on this side. I'm kind of liking that a lot. So now I'm just balancing out the weight of the paint. All these paints do have treadmill silicone. It's probably the only silicone we've been using lately. corners. I'm going to give it a torch to see if we get any cells coming up through here. First pass, I get the air bubbles. This torch does not like me. That's pretty cool. I really want to stretch those bands out because they just are so pretty. I think that's it. I'm not going to touch it anymore. So let me give you a peek. See how the ends kind of have their own little design there. They wisp out all on their own. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click below. Click the little bell next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join us on Facebook. Shop with us on Amazon for all your supplies and Etsy for our paintings. And I also have jewelry there that I make. Check out the Stone Coat Countertop website. We do have a code for the art resin. The code is CWA, all in caps, and you'll get $30 off an $80 order at checkout. So check out the art resin. We absolutely love it, and we have been using that on all of our paintings, and we've been using it for videos. So if you're looking to get resin, now's the time to get it. It's a huge savings. So thanks so much for watching, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye now.